Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please do well by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you'll find a link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So do well to go to the comment section, click on the link that will take you to our Telegram channel and follow us there. Now, when you take a look at what is currently happening on gold, we can clearly see that gold on the foot trend is an uptrend move. It is literally giving us that bullish move to the upside. So at first we kind of were ranging within this level, then market eventually gave us a broke out of it. Now it has now gone back to this ranging level here. So what we are seeing is that possibly we might see it come to this our support level. There's a possibility to drop to this our support level. If it does that, then another movement to the upside is what we are expecting. So above all, gold is ready to break out of this resistance level. So watch out for a breakout of this resistance level on gold. Anytime, so it's either we can start having that bullish move that we break out to the resistance level, or we might see it drop to tap this support level before another movement to the upside. So watch out, gold is literally ready for the breakout of the resistance level.